In this video, we're going to be talking about the rich text editor, or commonly known as an RTE, that we use with the MODX Manager. We're going to be covering some of the icons and what they mean, and also clearing formatting, which might come from programs used such as Microsoft Word. Here I've made an example page with a few headings and formattings already set. To apply headings or various pieces of formatting, just simply hover over each piece of text, click the Formatting tab, and then select one of the headings or formatting options that are available to you. A quick run through of what each one of these mean. HTML allows you to view the HTML output of the content made. Formatting contains a drop-down list of all of the formats that are available to you. Bold makes the text bold. I, italic, S, strike through. An unordered list, which is represented as bullet icons. An ordered list, which is numerically ordered. Outdenting, indenting. Inserting an image. Inserting a video. Attaching a file. Creating a table, and that allows you to insert a table with specific rows and columns. Adding a link, alignment of text, so if we hover this, we can center, right, or left, adding in a horizontal rule, changing the font that's available to us, however we wouldn't recommend using this, increasing the font size, changing the text direction, updating the font's color, and updating the background. You can also use many of your keyboard shortcuts, such as on an Apple Mac, Command Z to undo, Command Shift Z to redo, Command C and V to copy and paste. Let's have a look at adding in a link. In the MODX Manager, everything is referenced with regards to IDs. IDs allow us to change the content of pages and even their URLs, but the IDs will remain consistent. MODX will build URLs surrounding these IDs, ensuring that no link will ever be broken. To add a link in, simply hover over the text that you wish to make clickable, click the link, and then you've got the option to either use a URL or a resource. Typing in the name of the resource will allow it to come up. Simply click and insert, and that's made. Let's now have a look at adding an image. To add in an image, simply click Insert Image, and you have the option here to be able to upload, so drag and drop from your local computer, or you can browse. Browse will allow you to scroll through various places of the site that are available to you. These will appear inside here. Inserting a video, simply click Insert Video, and then paste the embed code, which is from either YouTube or Vimeo. To get the embed code, simply visit the page, click on the Share, Embed, and copy this code. This will then allow you to insert the video on your page. Sometimes when we take content from popular word processing programs like Microsoft Word, unwanted formatting can come through. Search engines don't look at web pages the way that we visually see them. They look at them as HTML. What you'll find by sometimes taking content from Microsoft Word and pasting it directly in is that it can contain lots of pieces of code that you never knew were there. This can result in bloated pieces of content on your page, and ultimately Google will see this. Because of this, what we'd recommend you to do is to copy your content out of something like Microsoft Word, paste it into a simple text program such as Notepad, copy it then from there, and then paste it into your page. This will allow for much cleaner code to come through. Then simply use the tools to be able to curate your content as you wish. This ensures that there's consistency with regards to your site styles and brand.